Hi, my name is Becky Mercer, and I am the Director of Biotechnology Programs and STEM Education at Palm Beach State College. I'm very happy to have this opportunity to talk to you about my background and to help you and encourage you to become a scientist. I'm originally from Los Angeles, California. I did my undergraduate studies at the University of Southern California, where I majored in biological sciences and Spanish. After college, I began a career as a biomedical research technician in a dental biology laboratory, working on the study of how osteoclasts resorb bone. These cells are very critical in the development of osteoporosis and in several dental disorders. Following my 5 years as a research scientist doing the osteoclast research, I decided that I wanted to develop further education and further my career in biomedical research. So I applied for and was admitted to Columbia University for their graduate school. I was really motivated to pursue a career studying the diseases of the lung, and my motivation came from my mother. My mother was a smoker since she was 15 years old, and she died at the age of 56 from emphysema. This caused me to really want to make a better life for people who have been affected by lung diseases, such as lung cancer, emphysema, pulmonary fibrosis, and other devastating diseases. You'll notice that if you cannot breathe, you can't do anything. So I pursued graduate studies at Columbia University to identify what is it that makes certain people who smoke susceptible to diseases such as emphysema. 20% of people who smoke will go on to develop emphysema. And what is it about those 20% that makes them susceptible? During my graduate studies, I was able to identify a particular gene known as a metalloprotease that was upregulated in those people who smoked and then went on to get the disease. I'll never know whether my mother had this upregulated gene, but I feel that the studies that I did to identify this particular target molecule can somehow impact lives and help physicians to treat patients who have this upregulated gene. Once I finished my graduate studies, I moved from New York to Florida. I was fortunate enough to be accepted as a postdoctoral fellow in the Scripps Cancer Biology Department at Scripps, Florida, located in Jupiter, Florida, here in beautiful Florida. After doing a postdoctoral fellowship there for a year and a half, I was asked to become an associate scientific project manager in the high throughput drug discovery field in the Translational Research Institute at Scripps. This position allowed me not only to gain in responsibility, but also to use my breadth of knowledge of science, medicine, and technology to further develop treatments for a wide variety of diseases and to explore the causes of how cells work and how diseases develop in cells. Following my 6-year stint at Scripps, I wanted to move into education to spread the word about how a career in STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and math, could be used to change lives and to improve our society. So I moved from Scripps to Palm Beach State College, where I reside now, and I am the Director of Biotechnology Programs. As Director of the program, my job is to make sure that students coming into Palm Beach State College's biotechnology program and other science programs have a solid foundation in the basic sciences. These are classes like biology, chemistry, microbiology, and of course, biotechnology. I hope that this story has inspired you to consider a career as a scientist or as a biomedical researcher and clinical scientist. It is only through students who put in the hard work to study biology, chemistry, microbiology, and other sciences that we can improve the health of our nation and of our world. Thank you.